27-year-old Romalia Polkins, who has been charged in the stabbing death of her 87-year-old grandmother in Manchester last week, was remanded when she appeared in court today. Krista Campbell has this primetime news update.
87-year-old Advera Palmer's voice forever silenced. Her daughter, Pearline Palmer, is speaking out on her behalf. At the Manchester Parish Court on Wednesday, she told TVJ News she's having a hard time coping with how her mother was killed by her own granddaughter, 27-year-old Romalia Polkins, who's said to have legally changed her name some time ago to Shireen Bradbury. Neighbors found the senior citizen's body in a chicken coop at the back of her yard in Grovetown, Smithfield, Manchester, about 8 a.m. Monday, March 22. The body had stab wounds to the back and neck.
I feel it from my mother to see how the girls stab up my mother and kill my mother, sir. I remember could have my mother right now beside me. My mother doesn't do any little thing for her grandchildren then. And I don't know, is that maybe our daughter must send some little money for her or Shireen want it.
Still, family members say they never saw this coming. The accused lived with her father, Nelson Bradbury, in Harbourview, St. Andrew.
She was acting strange for the past month, you know. She was acting strange, you know. I never expect this.
She don't even live with my mother. She just come and visit my mother, and not my mother grow her. She should stay with her father.
Ms. Palmer remembers her mother as very independent with a strong Christian faith.
The lady looked like a 60-odd-year-old and she's 86-year-old and she looks so young and fittable. She's not a weak old person where you say she weak in her bed, can't get up. She can't move around and do her things, sir. She even wash out her clothes in the morning, put it on the line. She do every little thing to help herself. Every day the lady get up, she say her prayers and read her Bible. I read her Bible, the girl burn up.
Investigators say Mrs. Palmer may have been killed inside her house the night before or early Monday morning and her body left outside. Her granddaughter was charged with murder last week, Tuesday, and was remanded in court today because some scene of crime information are still outstanding and a post-mortem has not yet been done. Romalia Polkins is to return to court on April 30 with a medical assessment. Meanwhile, her aunt says the family is torn and is yet to receive any form of counseling.
And I don't see anybody come up, they don't feel Shireen's side of family, and nobody don't come up and say nothing. Everybody keep quiet and don't say nothing like nothing don't happen.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.